So this section we're talking about gliding. Okay, this is a great way to get into the glide. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna step forward and drag it back. Okay, Kenneth's gonna face front. I'll face the side so you guys see what the side view looks like. 6, 7, 8. You got 1. Pull back on the 2. Okay, on the 1 I step with the right leg. 7, 8. 1, 2. Left leg on the 3. Pull back on the 4. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that smooth first. Common pitfall. 1. I'm not leaning on the 1. 1. Stay back. So if you're watching the mirror, if you're at home watching the mirror, you want to keep your head, shoulders in space the same. Okay? Here, no good. Here, pull back. Here, pull back. So when I step forward, don't put the weight on. Okay? Let's go to 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's easy. Second thing is, as I pull back, 2. So leg, front leg is the right leg. On the 2, okay, I'm gonna have Caitlin turn to this side. Okay. On the 1. So on the 2, she's gonna put pressure. All the pressure is on the ball of the ball of the left foot. Okay. So pull back on the 2. As she pulls back, see how the left heel comes up and the knee bends. Okay. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna face. I'll face the side. You face the front. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is something that if you practice at home, maybe hold on to a wall, hold on to a chair, hold on to something so your balance is nice and stable. And as you pull, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're trying not to move this part at all. Okay. There's no. If you start fumbling, the illusion is kind of gone. Keep the stability there, and the glide a little better. Okay. So let's try 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go all the way to 8. Notice my hands. My hands more natural, like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of counted, right? Right leg front, left leg counterbalance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whichever leg goes front, the other arm goes front. Okay. Good. That's our glide. That's our glide. So practice that and we'll put it into a piece.